If you want to make your two-stroke engine faster, then it's time to get that sucker ported. Porting is taking a stock cylinder like this and removing and shaping the material that controls your air and fuel flow. I got this cylinder from someone who must have ported it with a hammer and a chisel, but I used an assortment of die grinders and Dremel to give it a second chance at life. Porting is relatively complex, and to do it correctly, you have to use a degree wheel to get exact measurements on the durations of the ports. I then mark the cylinder at the exact height I want to raise the ports to. For any two-stroke nerds watching, these are my current and desired durations. So let's pull the cylinder back off and get to porting. There we go, ports have been raised to the lines, as well as re-angling the tunnels for flow. Then I went around with a file and chamfered all of the rough edges on the ports, followed by giving the cylinder a serious wash to make sure all that metal and contaminants are out of it. And then I gave it a final check with the degree wheel to make sure my cuts were right and that we have the right timing. So now we can tear it back down. And now all that's left is to clean everything one more time, give everything lubrication, and assemble this thing. So if you want to see this ported stroker blaster engine get completed and see how it stacks up to a stock blaster, then make sure to hit that follow button.